Once again, we are going to look at another tutorial on how to crack a WEP encrypted network. However, this time we're going to do so through a client. Many of the steps will be the same, so we'll be following the same first three steps where we start our wireless card, then we're going to look for any networks that are within range, and then we're going to start our capture file. So to start off, we're going to open our terminal and take a look at our wireless cards with airmon-ng. We're going to turn our wireless card into monitor mode with airmon-ng start WLAN 1. And we can check to see if it's in monitor mode by running the airmon-ng command once again. Now we're going to find the networks that are within our range with airodump-ng WLAN 1 mon. To cancel, we are going to hit Control-C, and as you can see, the first network on the list is going to be our target, which is Lab Wi-Fi. The next thing that we will be doing is starting our capture file with airodump-ng-c2, which is the channel number under the CH column, --BSSID, and we're going to copy the BSSID. And then I'm going to write the file to the root folder and call it client test. And then we'll end it with WLAN 1 mon. As you can see, there is one station that is connected to the network. Next, we will be doing our fake authentication by running the command airplay-ng-1 60 this time in order to make sure that we don't time out our fake authentication. -A, we're going to copy the same BSSID once again and end it with WLAN 1 mon. And now you're going to see that the MAC address of our wireless card is going to pop up. The next thing that we will be looking at is something called an interactive packet replay attack. The way we do this is by running the command airplay-ng-2-b, the access point MAC address, -d, 6 sets of FF:, -F1, -M68, -N86, WLAN 1 mon. What it's going to do now is try and find some packets being relayed between the station and the access point. And once it finds one, you can either select N for no or Y for yes to send the packet. We're going to select yes. Sometimes it will take a couple of attempts in order to function properly. what we're looking for is to see the data field rapidly increase. In order to try a different packet, you can hit Control-C and it will find another packet to try and send towards the network. Once you have found a packet that will function properly, we will see the data start to increase rapidly. Once this is done, we can then start to crack the capture file with aircrack-ng-z, and then we can place the output file in the end. As you can see, aircrack-ng will reattempt to decrypt the capture file once it has more IVs, so there is no point in canceling and running the command once again. This attack may take some time, however it should not take too long. In this case we have already found the key, and it is dead 12 cafe.